I got a good one. What the heck is this thing? Probably stingray? Oh boy. A jack? All right, bring it on. Yep. I'm gonna win this fight. No, I don't have a net. I don't have either. Yeah, that's what I think it is, because it was a bottom thing. Stingrays fight good. I fought a big 250-pound shark when I was deep sea fishing, so you gotta pump it up and just wait it out. This would be my first ever stingray if I did land it, so it'd be pretty cool. That'd be crazy. Yep. I just saw my rod. I had a little piece of shrimp on that thing. What the heck? Yeah, it would have been gone for sure. This is just a freaking little rod rental, rinky dink. I can feel it, come on. I can feel it struggling. That's a big one. Holy crap.
About the same size.
Angler. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna get anywhere close to that thing. I see the barb on it.
Yeah, you know, last.
He's just got some time. Man, that is cool. That's so cool. Yeah,
If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
HBCs.